Engineering and architecture, there's so many different aspects to their disciplines. Some could specialize in structural, some could specialize in civil, and each of those firms have different risks associated with their work. So from a risk management standpoint, based on their discipline, we're going to treat it a little bit differently. Based on their primary focus in their areas, the regions that they operate in throughout the state, we're going to treat those a little bit differently as well. One of the primary focuses of our practice, and it's the biggest issue that our engineers and our architects have, is the potential for an error and omission in their work. Whether it has happened or whether it's just an alleged incident that has occurred, their professional liability policy is really the main barrier and the main protection that those firms have. A lot of what we do is focus on early identification of those types of issues. If there's a potential problem on a project, or if a client is anticipating there potentially being a problem, we'll step in early on and put together some best practices, put together a strategy on how best to deal with it. We want our architecture and engineer clients to know that they can lean on Higginbotham when it comes to their risk management and their professional liability. When we're talking about the infrastructure funding and a lot of the federal funding that's coming through, even on a state level, the firm management, your contractual management, and how you set yourself up within that contract as a design professional is critical. So one of the things we do is contract management, contract review for our clients on an almost daily basis. In addition to that, we'll do some client seminars, in-house educational seminars in terms of best practices, things to look out for when you're on the job site, things to look out for as you're starting those projects up and you're beginning your design phase. We all understand that mistakes happen, but how you respond as an architecture and engineering firm in that type of instance makes all the difference in the world. That primarily is why it's critically important to work with someone that understands your business, that understands the minute details, and really what makes your firm work, but also how to help you in the event of an issue. We do a great job of that here at Higginbotham.